Swing.
Did you see that?
Swing again.
It's not happening.
Try to hit that bottom part. Whew. Good swing. Good swing. Good swing. That's a good one. You're getting it. Oh, it's coming apart. Oop, take your time. Good job. Good job. You almost got it. It's coming. Ooh, good swing. Good. Oh, that's a good swing. That's how you need to get it. Oh.
I can't do
You're
it.
doing great. Oh, there you go. That's another good swing. It's coming apart. You're getting it apart. That's a good one. That's a good one. Take your time. You got it.
I'm fighting.
You
Just
got it.
getting fighting because I'm waiting for it.
That's all right. Just take your time then. Just slow down. You're good. You're good. Give me another clobber. Switch hands up. Put your other hand up. That's a good swing. Put your other hand on top of
I
me.
can't.
It's all right.
I can't.
Yeah, if you want to. Or no, switch them up. Switch hands.
I
Both
can't.
you. Yeah, there you go. That's a good swing. It's all right. Take your time. Wait for
I
it to come.
can't. I
You
can't
can, you
do
can
it.
take your time. That's a good one. That's a good one. Now, do you want to pull those strings on the bottom?
Yes.
Just yank them. You got 'em?
Last one. Now I'll just hit it.
Good job. You're getting it very good. And just wait till
Please stop.
wait till it comes back to you, then clobber it. Yeah, that's a good one. Well, this thing's built to last, isn't it? Oh, there you go. You got her backside open. Wait, slow. There you go. That's all right. Take your time. Wait for it to come back to you. There you go. I see her breaking. There you go.
It's working!
Ooh, yeah, that's a good swing. You just barely missed. Oh, there you go. You almost
Stop
got it.
it.
Just point your bat out. Ooh, that's a good one. Just keep
Why
waiting.
did not? Why is the pause not coming?
Yeah, it's coming. Just keep waiting on that bottom part of her. There you go. That's a good one. Every time you hit that bottom side. Good job. Well,
Oh, I fell out!
that's your barrette. Just take your time. You gotta wait for her to swing back towards you and then clobber her. Like that. Yeah, just take your time and swing. Let it swing and swing back and bang. Ooh, good swing. Hey, when you want her to stop,
I'm
okay,
afraid.
let me see. When you want her to stop, just do this. When when she's going too fast and you want her to stop, just do that. And then beat on her.
Yeah!
Good job, young.
I got it on the back.
It's coming.
Jeez.
Wait. That's a good swing. Keep it coming. Woo! She's coming apart. There you go. Just beat her one more time on the bottom. Good job. Hit her one more time on the bottom. There's more to come, I think. Good job. Yay! You won.